What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you this C clamp. This is a CC-God product, and this is the quick release CC clamp from CC-God. If you guys are new or first time using an e-bike, I will give you guys an advice to avoid future accident. I got this like a couple of days, and I started to use this yesterday. Upon using this, I got an accident that I fall off to my bike. This is the culprit. This handlebar, when I make a U-turn inside our subdivision here in Las Vegas, this C clamp, it loose. Because back in the old days, the C clamp that they use in a regular bike, that one's easy to snugly tight, but this one, it can lose easily. So what had happened yesterday, when I made my maneuver, this handle post, this handlebar, it twists significantly to left because I make a U-turn to get back to my home, and upon making a U-turn, I accidentally, this one it twists, and this one it did like this. This one it pushes it all the way, and it twists as well. That's what happened to me yesterday. This one, this pedal bar, it twists like that as well. So if you guys are new in owning a or planning to get an e-bike, change this. This one can cause accident, and this one, as you see, I already contacted the CC-God customer service. First time I called them, they didn't pick up the phone, and the second time that I called them, there was a woman named Anne who picked up the phone, and I addressed the issue regarding this CC-God bike. Do I have any problem with the CC-God bike? Yes, I have. The problem that I have, that it occurred yesterday, is this C clamp. I already contacted them that I need a universal old school C clamp, not this one. The C clamp is not good. Look at this, it's warped, and this one, and also this one, the quick release, it break. So this one is already broken. Yeah, it broke yesterday, so I can no longer use that anymore. So make sure that you guys tighten this, because this seat post, it will significantly goes down while you are pedaling. If you are doing the pedal assist, or either you accelerating your e-bike using this accelerator. But whenever I use my e-bike, was my first time that I used it yesterday. I use it first time that I ride on the e-bike, and I know a little bit riding in a motorcycle. I can ride the motorcycle easily, but this one, first time that it happened to me that I pull up with the bike, an electric bike like this. My brother give me a reminder, because he had the the folding bike, but it's not an electric bike, it's a regular bike, and he said that when you ride to a folding bike, be careful with this one. He reminded me, be careful with this. Look at this, because it twists like this, it falls like that, and that's too dangerous. I'm planning to order that from Amazon, or either eBay, or either Walmart. So I'm gonna change it, not like that one. That one's too dangerous to put it like that, because I'm gonna use it only inside our subdivision. I'm not gonna ride this in Hollywood, Las Vegas, Nevada, because I live in Hollywood, so I cannot ride it outside our home. Our subdivision is huge, and I'm able to ride it inside our subdivision just to continue losing my weight. I got the CC God bike because I keep searching online which is the best bike that I can buy online, and upon searching online and trying to find which bike will compatible to me, I decided to get this brand CC God. Do I have any regret owning the CC God? I can tell you guys honestly, even though that I'm a first time user of this bike, I'm flattered that this bike performed really well, and I like how it used. But the only problem, without being said, that this handle post, this one, it can easily loosen. It can easily loose. Once it loosen, you don't have any control with the handle bar that it can cause you to pull up to the bike. And also this one as well, the pedal, you need to replace that. The folding pedal, you need to replace it. And the C-clamp to the seat post, you need to remove this and find the old school clamp that will not never use that one, the quick release. The quick release is not gonna make it stable. I will highly recommend the old school C-clamp that can hold up really well, especially if you are overweight. I'm almost 285 pounds, and this bike can hold up to 450 pounds of weight. I can even hold my children to the back, but I need to find a rear back seat that I can hold my children. I will not rely on this one because that one's too dangerous once it runs and the children accidentally, or a child accidentally put their feet inside this sprocket, so that can cause losing their toes, fingers and their toes. So be careful. I used this yesterday. I basically use only the regular pedal, but sometimes when I get tired, I use the pedal assist. The pedal assist, once you use the pedal assist, this bike can run up to 19 to 25 to 30 miles per hour. It depends what setting that you guys will use. I set up only to one because I'm only inside the subdivision in Las Vegas, Nevada, where I live. So I used to exercise using this. I have my treadmill, but I been lazy to use the treadmill because I want to see and I want to breathe the atmosphere outside, even though it's a summertime now. It's June, and I would like to lose weight, and I would like to to perspire, so that it can help me to easily lose my weight and also to maintain my stamina. Okay, so again, if you guys are planning to buy an e-bike, or first time that you guys buy, I highly recommend you guys, whatever brand that you guys will buy, make sure that you guys will tighten this, tighten as much as possible, because this one can twist. Once it twists, you're gonna pull off. Make sure that you wear your helmet. I wear my helmet, but it's not the full cover helmet, and I got a blister to my lips, and I got a blister on my legs. As you see, I got the bruises. No, not blister, I got bruises because I pulled up to the bike. And I already addressed this to CC God customer service. I talked to Ann regarding this mirror. I don't know if they will send me a parts. They said they will contact the manufacturer. They contact the the seller who sold me this. But I told them the seller who sold me this, it was a CC God manufacturing company. But the one that I call is the hotline number, the 626. You can see it to the website. And as what I said, first time I called it around 9:40. Nobody answering. When I called it 9:58, there was a woman who picked up the phone immediately and talked to me. Her name is Ann again. I mentioned her name again, and thank you for entertaining me. She said that she's going to address to a technical team who will call me and will resolve the issue regarding this matter. I already complained. They said that the part is under warranty. But before you guys buy a CC God, because I contacted CC God, they said that the CC God battery is not available in the market. But this product, it comes with a 1-year warranty. So if anything happened beyond 1-year warranty, it's your out of pocket. I don't know if they will sell you the parts for the battery, but they said they don't sell it online. But you can contact them. I don't know if they will sell it to you separate, or probably they will sell it to you the whole bike. This whole bike, if you buy it at Amazon, it can cost you $798, including shipping and handling plus tax. It costs you around $800. So for those people, if you guys would like to exercise whatever age that you guys have, I'm turning to 50, and again, even though that I'm 285 pounds, I'm willing to exercise outside inside our subdivision. I will not ride this outside our subdivision, that it can cost my life. I would rather ride it inside our subdivision, or either I'm going to ride it in Hollywood Park, because I live in a Hollywood Park, closer to Hollywood Park. I live in a subdivision here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Our subdivision is a very beautiful subdivision. It's a quiet place to live. And yeah, again guys, before I finish this video, I'm advising you guys, whatever brand that you guys will buy an e-bike, make sure that you guys fix this issue, and also this one, especially if you are obese or overweight like me. I'm 285 pounds. If your weight's around like 120, 150, 160, I don't think that you guys have an issue with this, and also with this one. I don't think so. But if you guys weight like what I have right now, what I weighing right now, 285, you're gonna have a problem in the future that it can lead to accident, like what happened to me yesterday. I received this, I ordered this, and I received it like a couple of days since I started to vlog this yesterday, and I tested it yesterday, and I like it. Yeah, the only thing that I don't like is when I got pulled off. But I'm lucky that I'm wearing my helmet. But the helmet that I worn, it was a helmet of my boy, Tisoy. But I already ordered from website. I ordered 2 helmets. Hopefully the other one will fit to me. If not, I'm gonna return it back. So as again, before I cut this, if you guys in the market of buying an e-bike, if you guys are overweight like me, I highly recommend you guys to buy the CC God. I'm not affiliated with this company, but I'm satisfied, even though that I got an accident yesterday regarding that. But at the end of the day, this is a solid piece of alloy material, and it's a heavy 66 pounds. I'm able to carry this 66 pounds. I'm able to carry 66 pounds because I'm able to carry 100 kilos or two kabans of rice, 100 kilos. I'm able to carry it to my shoulder. But this is only 65 pounds. I'm able to carry this as well. So again, I hope you guys keep watching my YouTube channel. I hope you guys learned today. And if you guys found my video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. I catch you guys later for my next video. Thanks for stopping by. May God bless you all. Bye for now. God bless.